Going to learn that how to swap the two numbers without using a third variable. Last time what we did that we swapped the numbers by taking a help of the temporary variable. So this time we are not going to take the help of any variable, and keeping one more thing in mind that this questions sometimes in the product based company it is not in the product based, I can say in the service based companies these questions are asked. So first of all, we will create the file by hashtag include stereo.h, and therefore we will write int main, and after int main it's very important to give this braces, and after that we are going to create two variables like int a comma b, and we are going to take the input from the user like printf enter a, enter a, and it's very important to put the semicolon, because the way you for ending a sentence in English you put the full stop at the end, in the same manner it's very important to put the semicolon to tell the compiler that go to the next line. And after that we are going to take the input like scanf, we use scanf for taking input, and then percentage d we are going to take. Why? Because of the data type which we had used is integer data type. And after that we are going to use ampersand and a, and after that semicolon. Now printf enter b, enter b, and then we are going to write take in the same manner scanf percentage percentage d, and which is the ampersand b. Ampersand, so you might be thinking that why we use ampersand, what's the role of behind using ampersand. So the basic rule is that the way, suppose you are at your home and people know that if we are going to go at this particular address we are going to meet the particular people, that like suppose wherever you are living right now, so people who are visiting your home for meeting you, they are aware that they have to go at this particular address. In the same manner, in the a and b with the containers which we have created, and we want to take the input from the user, so it's very important to put, by taking that input you have to place it in the right position, means at the right place. So in that, for doing that only, what happens is that ampersand gives you address, and when ampersand gives the address that you have to take this person, means take this number to that particular place, and it gets stored over there. So after that we are taking scanf per percentage d ampersand b, and now we have to swap the numbers, we have to basically apply the logic over here. So you have to think in this manner, like the way I used to think. A equals to, we can write a plus b, okay. Then what we are going to do, that after writing we are going to write b equals to a minus b, then a equals to a minus b, and return 0. I know right now you might be thinking that why we have done this addition, and like why these steps we have followed. So see, I want to show you in this manner, like suppose a equals to, it is entered 4, okay. Wait a minute, it's like a equals to 4, and after that user entered b equals to 5, okay. So after doing the addition in the a part, what it's happening that it is gonna to make 9, a equals to 9. Now you only think a particular, like you have to apply some logic over here, that when I have made a equals to 9, and I have to make, somehow I have to make b equals to 4, because that's what we are doing swapping. So how we can make b equals to 4? When we are gonna to subtract a minus b, 9 minus 5, it is going to be 4. Then the value of b will come 4, which at particularly A is holding the 4 value. So by applying this logic, like after doing addition, you have to think in this manner that I have to somehow or other, I have to make it A equals to 5 and B equals to 4. I have to swap the numbers. For doing that, so for doing that, what it did, that A, the particular value of A is right now 9. So 9 minus 5, if they are going to do, then the value of B is going to come 4. And in the same manner, like A equals to A minus B, now the value after doing these all things, you could see, wait a second, huh. After doing these things, you could see that uh, particularly now the value of B has become 4. So now the value of B, which is it is holding, has become 4. And you have to think in this manner again, that if now the B has changed its position, now I have to apply the same logic. If 9 minus 4 I am going to do, then the value of A is going to come 5. So after this, the value is going to become 5, means the value of A equals to 5. I hope it would have become clear, but you have to apply some efforts from your side also. So I am going to run the code, enter A. I'm entering A as 5. Enter. I'm going, no, wait. The numbers which I took for giving you example, I'm going to show you exactly by that numbers only. A equals to, I am taking 4. Oh shit, wait a second, we have not printed the number. So how it is going to show you? Printf the number after swapping, which is percentage D, comma A. It will give the value of A. The same line which we are going to copy over here also. We are going to copy it over here and we are going to paste it over here. So we pasted the same line, just we have to change A to B. Now we are going to print this part. Let's print it, run code. So enter A. Suppose we entered 4. Enter B, 5. So the number after swapping, you could see the position of A is taken as 5 and the position of B is taken as 4. And for more clearance, you can add the \n for giving the space between them. Okay, I know this video might be a bit longer, but it is gonna take, suppose we take 6, B we take 5. The number after swapping, no, it has obtained the first position, it has obtained the second position. So this is basically the logic, and I hope it would have become clear. And you, for like, I'm going to give you a single suggestion, that what you do is, like, I'm solving one question, you solve 2-3 questions related to by applying a bit different logics. In that way your foundation is going to become strong. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.